All right, so we have a girl that's been broody for a few weeks now. She's right in here and she does not want to be messed with. But we have some chicks that are hatching and we're going to go ahead and put her under those, or put those chicks under her, I should say, and see if she will take to them. We're gonna give this a go. We're gonna watch her and see what happens. And hopefully she'll be a new mama. After much protest, I have moved her over here. She started to settle in her new little brooding box. I've got her a bit of water in here. I gotta put some food. That's gonna be for the chicks and for her. And she was settled in earlier until I came and opened up the lid. We shall see how it goes here in just a bit. We have 8 chicks right now that we moved over here into this brooder for the moment. As you can see, chicks do not care about personal space. Then we have one little chick that hatched a little while ago, so we'll let her dry off a little bit. This evening, as it gets dark, we're gonna go ahead and take as many as we can out there and put them under our hen and see if she adopts these babies. You've got little babies. She's like, what happened? Is that all? What do we do?
She's got 9 chicks under her. Get up under there.
Everybody's nice and quiet.
Yeah, everybody's settled in real good.
So this has turned out really well so far. Mama has shown them how to drink. So all the chicks are drinking from and standing in the water. She'll point to little things for them to pick up and they all go over there and figure that out. Overall, this has worked out really, really well. I think we're gonna try to do this in the future if we have broody hens. Found some wild strawberries and Mama is sharing them with the babies. The babies are going crazy. So it's been a few days now. Mama is doing really well. And the babies are doing really well. As you can see, that one's doing a little piggyback ride action. We've recently moved our little coop over here to give them some new grass to eat on, some new ground. And as you can see, Mama kind of picks at things and then throws them to the chicks so they can learn how to be little chickens. Overall, great experience. I know it could have gone differently. We're gonna work on doing this from now on in the future and testing out different hens and see how they do.